In today's episode, a recipe so easy and so delicious, it'll definitely stick with you. Vegan teriyaki eggplant. Lei Ho Ma, I'm Yeung. Welcome to my channel where I help you cook with confidence. Now this recipe is absolutely delicious and it's super easy to make. All you need are a couple humble eggplants. Roughly slice 2 Chinese eggplants into bite-sized pieces. Now if you have access to fresh shiitake mushrooms, that would be perfect for this recipe. But for now, I'm just going to use these amazing oyster mushrooms. Peel down and roughly chop the oyster mushrooms. Two tablespoons soy sauce. 2 tablespoons maple syrup. 1 tablespoon rice vinegar. Grate 2 pieces of garlic. Grate 1 small piece of ginger. Stir. Saute pan. Medium heat. 2 tablespoons toasted sesame oil. Eggplant. Saute the eggplant for 4 to 5 minutes. Mushrooms. Saute for another minute. Teriyaki sauce. Half cup water. Give it a good stir, then cover and cook on medium-low for 10 to 12 minutes. Plate. White sesame seeds. Roughly chop up some toasted seaweed. You can now make this easy and delicious teriyaki eggplant with absolute confidence. Just a couple of humble ingredients and you have this really flavor-packed, amazing dish. Serve this with some incredible rice and that is amazing. Just so packed with flavor. Oh my goodness. That is the definition of melt in your mouth. And it's incredible because it looks like there was so much liquid in that pan and the eggplant just literally absorbs every single drop of that incredible teriyaki sauce. Really just melt in your mouth. And that incredible toasted nori just adds a little bit of crunchiness and a little bit of saltiness. That is really, really just delicious and so easy to make. If you think this recipe was easy and you love easy recipes like I do, be sure to get your free ebook that I put together just for you. It has 5 super simple, unintimidating, plant-based recipes to help you get started cooking today. I've even taken the photography for it. And you can find that ebook in the link in the description box below. Of course, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next episode.